Welcome to The Potato Odyssey, an in-depth exploration into the captivating history, intricate cultivation methods, abundant nutritional value, diverse culinary uses, and profound global impact of the remarkable potato. Embark with us on a comprehensive journey through the world of potatoes. The potato's origin traces back to the high Andes mountains of Peru and Bolivia, where indigenous communities cultivated and refined wild potatoes over millennia. These early spuds were small, knobby, and came in a range of colors. The conquistadors, during the 16th century, were introduced to the potato and transported it to Europe, sparking the beginning of a transformative culinary journey. Cultivating potatoes requires a blend of art and science. Planting begins with seed potatoes, which are not seeds but rather small potatoes. The process involves selecting disease-free, certified seed potatoes, which are cut into chunks with at least one eye or bud. These chunks are then planted in well-drained soil, often in rows, and covered with earth. As the plants grow, hilling or adding soil around the plants prevents sunlight from reaching the developing tubers, preventing them from turning green and bitter. The potato family boasts an astonishing array of varieties. Russet potatoes, like the iconic Idaho, excel in baking due to their high starch content. Waxy potatoes, such as the red-skinned and fingerling varieties, have a lower starch content and maintain their shape when cooked, making them perfect for salads and roasting. Purple and blue potatoes are rich in antioxidants, thanks to their anthocyanin pigments. The nutritional value of potatoes goes beyond their role as a carbohydrate source. They are rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health, and contain vital vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients contribute to immune support, brain health, and cardiovascular well-being. Potatoes have become culinary stars across the globe. From the golden perfection of French fries to the creamy decadence of mashed potatoes, and from the flavorful Indian samosa to the hearty Irish colcannon, this versatile tuber adapts itself to diverse culinary traditions, transcending borders and cultures. The mid-19th century Irish potato famine stands as a poignant historical event. A strain of potato blight known as Phytophthora infestans ravaged Ireland's potato crop, leading to catastrophic famine, mass emigration, and societal upheaval. This tragedy highlighted the importance of agricultural diversity and sparked changes in farming practices. Today, potatoes remain a vital agricultural commodity, contributing to food security worldwide. However, challenges persist, with threats from diseases like late blight and pests such as the Colorado potato beetle. Integrated pest management, genetic resistance, and sustainable farming practices are key strategies in safeguarding potato crops. Beyond its role as sustenance, the potato holds economic significance. It's a raw material for diverse industries, including starch production for textiles and paper, and as animal feed. Additionally, international potato trade fosters economic ties between nations, bolstering global economies. Did you know that the potato played a role in the famous experiment, where it was used to conduct electricity by Alessandro Volta in 1800? This experiment led to the development of the electric battery. Such intriguing anecdotes underscore the potato's unique place in history. As we gaze into the future, technology offers exciting possibilities. Precision agriculture employs sensors and data analytics to optimize planting and irrigation, while genetic engineering endeavors to create disease-resistant, nutrient-dense potatoes. These advancements aim to address future challenges in food security and sustainability. Our journey through the captivating world of potatoes has unveiled a narrative rich in history, science, and cultural significance. From its ancient Andean origins to its modern global impact, the potato remains an enduring symbol of nourishment, innovation, and resilience, connecting people across generations and continents.